What did you do wrong? Tell me what you did wrong that makes you guilty.
I just didn't want to give up my information. I felt that I was being harassed.
Did you do anything wrong? No?
No,
Why are you pleading guilty to this then?
it's disorderly.
I know, but why are you pleading guilty to anything if you didn't do anything wrong? I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm just asking. Did you do anything wrong?
I didn't show my information. I was guilty.
Okay, slow down. So what kind of information did they ask you for? Your license? Yes? Yes to pay?
No, I don't.
Why not?
I didn't even know that there was a fine connected to it.
Did I do that bad of a job that day where I didn't explain that to you?
It's been explained, because I thought when you dismiss, I haven't dismissed papers on it, and then I got it.
Ma'am, I just dismissed the reckless and the R&O. That was on motion of the prosecutor. I did it because they asked me to. And you pled the careless. They didn't dismiss both cases with nothing. I told you $200. That was on July 16th.
So that's what I thought I was paying on.
Well, but you didn't pay it, did you?
I was paying off $10 in a week on something. That's what my understanding was.
I don't even see where I gave you time to pay. I thought you were going to pay it all that day, the way it looks to me. How much money do you have today?
I can pay like, I have 100 today.
Okay. Did we cancel the warrant on this, Heather?
She told me.
Yes.
Look,
Yeah, it was canceled. I see it now. It just wasn't written on the register. I'll write it. Defendant to pay 100 today. Does she owe 255 still?
I believe
Or now-
so, Judge. Yes. he
Now
does.
probably 280 because you missed the show cause on March 31 too.
It's 255, Judge.
All right, so you're 155 after you pay the 100 today. When can you pay that?
Am I able to make the payments?
Tell me what you can afford to pay weekly, bi-weekly, whatever the case may be.
25,
20 what?
bi-weekly.
Okay, you pay 100 today. Balance to be paid at rate of, you said 20. 20 bi-weekly, and I'll start that 2 weeks from today on May the 7th. Is that okay? And if you don't have the money, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom. Do you know how to use Zoom? Then you'll go on, you call the court, say, I want to talk to the judge. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension, okay? Is that okay? All right. If you don't have the money, don't be scared. Just call the court and I'll give you extensions. I don't care how many times we have to do that, all right?
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Appreciate it.
How do you support yourself?
I work.
Where at?
Repair credit is here.
How many hours do you work? How much do you make per hour?
I have a lot of expenses, plus I just got this diagnosis for this medical.
I'll tell you what, I'll reduce your balance. Heather, we're gonna reduce your balance. I'll just indicate defendant's balance after the 100 paid today is 100, not 155, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna owe $100 after you pay the $100 today.
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mackey, Donald Jack Mackey, the third, 266-4809, 2A and B. Mr. Mackey, your name? Your name?
Donald Mackey, the third.
You're charged with driving on a suspended and equipment violation. You have the right to an attorney. Would you like one?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and arraign you and I'll send you to the prosecutor then, okay? It is alleged that on March 29 of 26 that you did operate a motor vehicle with a suspended license in the city of Trenton, county of Wayne, on West near Veterans Parkway at 9:05 in the morning. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to $500 in fines, 93 days jail. Costs are all those in 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also have a second charge of defective equipment. You understand?
Yes, I had that paid. I fixed that problem.
Did you
I
take a
that says I fixed it.
show that to the prosecutor? Okay. I'll send you to the prosecutor. I'll enter a not guilty plea. $500 personal bond. You don't have to post any money, but show him that you got that repaired. And then you come back in front of me after you speak to the prosecutor, okay? Yeah, that's the prosecutor. Thank you. Adams Schrum, 26T6477706 A and B. We have an unregistered vehicle charge here and speeding. Your name?
Sean.
All right, so you want a lawyer or you want me just to arraign you and send you to the prosecutor?
Yeah. Just send me to the prosecutor.
Okay, I'll go ahead and arraign you. It is alleged that on February 18 of 26 that you operated an unregistered vehicle on Jefferson near Slocum and Trenton at 1:43 p.m. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs of all those. You understand that?
Yeah.
And did you sign, read, and understand this advice of rights?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that? You also have a charge of speeding. That's a 1-point civil infraction. Do you understand me?
Yes.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer.
Yes.
I'm entering a not guilty plea. $100 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Do you understand all that?
Yes.
All right. So this is going right to the prosecutor. Go speak to the prosecutor, and then you're coming back in front of me either way today, okay? Thank you. People against? Alexander Madrigal, 26G3067408 and B. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you today?
Good. How about yourself?
Thank you. At least the courts are looking to let Alexander not to golf for perfectly regularly judge for reading and standing.
Sir, your name?
Alexander McGraw.
All right. So now you negotiated this. There was an operating while intoxicated charge, which you effectively got the prosecutor to reduce to operating while impaired, the OWI to be dismissed, and also there's going to be a plea to impeding with the speed to be dismissed. True?
Yes,
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
If you plead guilty to operating while impaired, the possible penalties are up to $300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service, court costs, or all of those. 4 points, license suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. Your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. To the charge, operating while visibly impaired, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And to the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? Responsible? Were you operating a motor vehicle in the city of Trenton, county of Wayne on Jefferson near Breland and Gibraltar on March 20 of 26 at 5:40 in the morning?
Yes.
And did you drink alcohol prior to that? And if so, what did you drink and how much did you drink?
About 4 years.
All right. Was your ability to operate that motor vehicle impaired because of the alcohol consumption?
Yes.
All right. Why were you pulled over by the police? Because of the speeding?
The
You
speed.
think you were speeding at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
Yes.
And did you take an breathalyzer test? And counsel with a result of 0.110, and you so stipulate that that was accurate for purposes of the plea?
yes,
Are you on probation or parole, Mr. Madrigal? Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No.
Plea is accepted to impaired driving. OWI is dismissed. Please accepted to impeding. Speeds dismissed. I'm going to refer you for a screening and assessment. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs, $1,000 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. I'm going to give you a court date. You're going to go down the hall then and get that paper notice, then go over to probation where you'll fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. Is that going to be May 7th
Yes, at 8:30.
at 8:30?
Joe, do you need me here for this?
Are you not scheduled to be here that day? We don't need, how many more dockets do you have?
I got about 4 more.
What day are you gonna be here?
I'm here, April 20th, May 5th, May 8th.
Why don't we do it May 8th? There's no, May 8th is a Friday.
May, yeah,
We don't want to do a Friday. May 5th? Let's do May 5th. Is that good?
May
Let's do
5th,
May-
that's your state day.
That's okay. May 5th at 8:30. Okay?
Okay,
So do you understand everything that's going on here, Mr. Madrigal?
Yes.
All right, so you go down the hall, get your notice. You're gonna come back May 5th at 8:30. Then you're going over to probation where you'll fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. I'm deferring the sentence on the impeding, Heather. So that won't be any usual fines and costs. I'll defer that, okay? All right, any questions?
He's going to probation now?
Yeah, after he gets his notice. Thanks.
All right,
Good luck.
thank you, Ryan.
Erica Elizabeth Horvath, 26G 77244.
Credit union, Abby credit union,
Morning, ma'am.
Eric Horvath.
You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to give you one at public expense. Would you like one? Okay? We'll give you a lawyer and then you'll come back at a later time, okay?
Let's see. Yeah. Oh.
Right out in the hallway.
Thank you.
What else? Is anybody else, have you guys talked to a prosecutor or
I directed me this way.
what's your name?
Secure first name Sakara. This for a ticket.
Come up
You gotta
here,
check in with me.
come up here and check in with him and then we'll pull out your file, okay? You get here late?
No, I was here on time.
What time?
On my ticket, it said it was for 9:40. Last name Montague.
What's his?
I was supposed to be here 9:40.
It's done.
Montague, do you have the docket? What the?
Sakara.
This isn't Douglas. He's going to defense attorney, right?
What's it?
How do you spell her?
Oh, yeah, that's going to the defense lawyer.
TKA
Last name.
MONTAQD.
What's the first name?
Secura.
First name.
Sakara TKAIRA.
I'll see her. How you feel best? I'll see her on her docket.
for Takara, that is for Judge Hessen's courtroom.
Yeah, you have to go in the
So
court.
that's good.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Was that right next to me?
It goes into court.
Correct. On your right, about 50 yards.
This bill, and this is me off. Is this something? Yeah, the girl is, I'm going on probation.
Yes. And the other one, Jeep.
Yeah.
How you doing, Mr. Slough?
I'm good. I know Barker is still, but it's gonna take a few more minutes.
Okay.
You
That's not one of the files I gave you.
Okay.
us to do this one or you got some?
Whatever you wanna do.
Let's do White, tomorrow White, or Whitmer, tomorrow Lee Whitmer, I'm sorry, 23T640946.
And, good morning, Your Honor. Oh, no, up here, I'm sorry. Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, James Schloff, 30720.
Your name, ma'am?
Cameron Lee Whitman.
So she's simply going to plead guilty to disorderly with the RNO to be dismissed, true?
Correct.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty to that, possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail costs. Are all those, do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, to the charge, disorderly conduct, how do you plead? Were you in the city of Trenton at or near 2711 Veterans Parkway near Fort, September 21 of 23?
Yes.
And what did you do? You
I,
ran from the police and refused to
yes,
put your arms up so they could, you ran away from the officers and you placed your arms and hands underneath your body so they couldn't handcuff you. Is that true? or not?
I didn't have my hands.
What did you do wrong? Tell me what you did wrong that makes you guilty.
I just didn't want to give up my information. I felt that I was being harassed.
Did you do anything wrong? No?
No,
Why are you pleading guilty to this then?
it's disorderly.
I know, but why are you pleading guilty to anything if you didn't do anything wrong? I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm just asking. Did you do anything wrong?
I didn't show my information. I
Well,
was guilty.
okay, slow down. So what kind of information did they ask you for? Your license? Yes? Yes?
Answer to the record.
Yes, sorry.
And did you refuse to provide that to them?
Amy, it shows the
Alright.
warrant cancellation under the regular B ticket, not
Heather.
under the R.
Heather, I can hear you. That's okay. Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No,
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the R&O. I'm ready for sentence.
Your Honor, her life is beginning to improve a bit. She has found a more stable place to stay. She is working, but most of it in exchange for her rent and things like that. And she is still looking for other employment as well, which would provide even more stable environment.
Who does she live with in Southgate?
I'm living at the shop right now. It's
By the shop,
it's
you
my
mean,
mailing address,
by the shop, you mean a person who is
Yeah.
helping you.
Yes.
Store.
right?
Okay. You been in trouble ever before?
Yeah, it was,
Retail fraud in 24, right? And then you had another R&O in 25. Look, I'll go light on you, but I don't want to see you back here again, okay? We got it?
Yes.
Anything else, Mr. Schloff?
No, you're
Anything else you want to say, ma'am?
no,
25 fines, 50 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 200 or 30 days, okay? Can you pay anything today?
no,
Would you rather do community service?
sure,
Here's what I'm going to say to you. Heather, make sure we get this. Defendant to pay 200 or serve $12 of community service by June 15th. So you can either pay or you can do 12 hours of community service. If you're going to do community service, it has to be at a nonprofit organization, a church, St. Vincent de Paul, Salvation Army, you name it, any nonprofit organization, okay? An animal shelter.
Mhm.
Fair enough?
Yeah.
So you understand everything I've said?
Yeah.
So you either have to pay up or do 20 hours of community service by June 15th. You understand that?
yes,
And if you don't, you're going to be subject to a 30-day jail term, okay? All right, I wish you well. Good luck. You're free to go. You understand where you can do your community service at now?
animal shelter,
A church, St. Vincent de Paul, Salvation Army.
Will she be still going to probation? I mean, placed on probation or just?
I'm not putting her on probation. I'm just ordering her to pay $200 or serve 30 days, or instead of paying the $200, she can do 12 hours of community service. The money is due, or the community service is due of 12 hours by June the 15th.
okay,
Okay?
Make sure it's documented.
You have to have it on letterhead. They have to send you a letter, give you a letter on their letterhead that says, yes,
okay,
Ms. Whitmer performed community service on these dates totaling 12 hours, and it has to be on their letterhead. You know what I mean when I say letterhead?
better than,
Yeah,
Stationary.
stationary. Yeah. Okay?
okay,
All right, good luck. Stay out of here now.
Thank you.
thank you.
Austin Lee Hewer Sensing, 26T648102. Good morning again.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, James Schwab on behalf of Mr. Hewer Sensing.
All right, sir, your name?
Austin Lee, Hewer Sensing.
Does he stand mute and waive formal reading?
He does, Your Honor.
And so now he's going to plead to no ops. They're going to dismiss the suspend, true?
Correct.
If you plead to no valid ops on the person served, the possible penalties are up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, Your
If
Honor.
you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not gonna have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes,
To
Your
the
Honor.
charge, no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On the 30th of March of 26, we're operating a motor vehicle in the city of Trenton on Fort Harrison at 3:18 in the morning.
Yes, Your
Did you
Honor.
have a valid license with you on your person at the time?
No, Your
Are
Honor.
you on probation or parole?
I am, Your Honor.
For what?
Possession of methamphetamine and possession of cocaine. I'm on a 7411 probation through Wayne County.
Were you on probation on March the 30th of 26?
I have, and I ended up getting a probation violation through Wayne County, and I'm in the process of dealing with all of that right now. I go back.
I just want to make sure that you understand if you plead guilty here, this is technically a violation of that probation. That probation could be revoked. Your 7411 status revoked, the conviction entered, and then you'd be subject to imprisonment on that charge. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your
You
Honor.
still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead guilty or promise you anything to induce you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your guilty plea. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. How, the status of his license right now?
And it's still suspended. I am told that he is in the process, getting court dates and all that type of thing to clear up what's outstanding.
You gotta go take care of your case.
Yeah, I'm in the process of doing that. The last time. I
Process?
called, about a week and a half ago, my counsel, he gave me a list of where they were. So I've been, the past week, I've been calling all these courts and getting dates scheduled and seeing when I can come in.
I hope that's a habit you're gonna break. You can't ignore courts like that.
Yeah, no, no more. After I get this all taken care of, it's,
So you're suspended until November of this year on an implied consent to begin with. So get all these other tickets cleared up, will you?
yes, sir.
All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 3.25, or 60 days. Could have been a lot worse. Do you have all that to pay?
No need time to pay.
How much does he have today?
I have nothing today. I, the owner, I was doing maintenance over at,
Just tell me when you can pay.
I could probably do $20 about mid next week.
How much do you pay weekly?
I could do $40 a week.
All right, we'll make it 40 per week and I'll start, but I'm telling you, don't ignore me like you have these other
Yeah,
courts.
it's no longer.
$40 per week. I'll start it beginning on May the 18th. How's that?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If you need more time, you heard what I've said to others, come back in here or call Zoom on it before the due date. I'll be glad to give you an extension. Stop ignoring courts. Judges don't like that.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck. Thanks. Well, you're all set. You're gonna remember when you have to make your payment though.
May 18th. This
Right.
can start.
40 a week, starting that day. Good luck.
Do I'm waiting for my lawyer still. Do I check in with,
Who's your lawyer?
her name is,
Did you retain your own lawyer?
I did.
Okay, who is it?
My lawyer is Max Dubit
When's your case scheduled?
today. It was at 9:30 today was the scheduled time.
And your lawyer's not here?
They
She
said they were
she'd be
running
here
just a
10:02
little
with her
late.
ETA, but she's not here yet.
Say that again, Heather.
They did call and say they were running a little late, but they should be here anytime.
She said 10.
Okay, you can just wait in the hall. We're not gonna issue a warrant or anything.
Okay.
You're fine.
Thank you.
Okay. How you doing? Well, we might as well get off here. We don't have another one ready, right? All right, everybody stays. What were you doing? Just watching?
I was observing.
Okay, okay.
I've been here 50-some years since your dad was here.
Really?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
No.
You know, he's gonna be deceased for 40 years on,
I'm sorry.
he's gonna be deceased for 40 years on the 4th.
I know he was a good man.
He was a great man. Have a great day. How's things going?
Everything's going great.
It's nice to see this weather turning a little bit. What's that?
Good deal.
Have you ever done that before?
Like, lots of times.
Is it any fun?
I've done it all, boxes, like up and down, down the whole
I'll
thing.
have to talk to you. All right, Ms. Horvath, you can come up here. People against Erica Elizabeth Horvath, 26G77244.
Girl against the Horvath legally for reinstatement.
Okay, ma'am, your name? So I'm gonna go ahead and appoint you a lawyer. Well, wait a minute, let me see here. You make 500 per week gross?
Well, I get paid daily. I'm a hairstylist.
No, I see that, but how much do you make? You said 500 weekly. Is that gross or net?
Oh, that's,
All right, you don't have to. I'm just gonna appoint you a lawyer. I can see you're indigent on this. So I'm entering a not guilty plea, indicating she stands mute, right?
Yes,
$1,000 personal bond. Does she have any priors?
no,
And what was the blood draw? Do you know?
I don't know, Judge, and this is the gross ill matters, and we weren't able to pre-trial this. So
I see.
It's gross ill day. The file had a G designation, which would indicate Gibraltar.
Oh,
Instead of not.
Heather, we gotta change that. They put down Gibraltar. It should be gross ill. So $1,000 personal bond, no alcohol, no controlled substances, illegal controlled substances or marijuana. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any of those. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'll appoint you a lawyer. So we're gonna give her a date on a gross ill docket.
Okay. Let me take a look and pull that up. That will be May 6th.
May
And we-
6th,
Yep, May 6th at 8:45.
okay? May 6th at 8:45. I'm appointing you a lawyer. Go down the hall, get your notice, and you're all set, okay? Thank you. We'll have to talk about that. What's Mr. Bowker doing here, Heather?
He just got done speaking with Mr. Schloff on Zoom.
Where's
He
he
lives
live? Where do you live,
Up
Mr.
north in
Bowker?
Gaylord.
Grayling.
Oh, you're in a great.
My fault. I had the wrong G.
It's
That's
20
okay.
minutes away.
That's what?
It's 20 minutes from 20 minutes further north, Gaylord is, than
I said
Grayling.
Oh, yeah.
Gaylord. He's in Grayling.
I get it. No problem. All right, we're going to take a couple minutes here. We seem to be kind of at a standstill. Is he for arraignment and pretrial here?
I believe he's a pretrial.
Have you already been arraigned on this, Mr. Bowker?
Yes, Your Honor.
So are you going to put him in a breakout room with the prosecutor or does he have a lawyer?
He already spoke with Mr. Schloff.
Okay, so Mr. Schloff, all right, good enough. We're going to take a recess. Stay seated, everybody. You're welcome to come back if you want, Lena. Okay, you know how to get there?
oh,
Okay, Sadie will walk you down. Nice to have you here.
You can't ignore courts like that. The judge delivered a sharp warning after a defendant on drug probation admitted he was still driving with license problems while trying to clean up multiple court cases. The courtroom instantly became tense when the man revealed he was already on probation for methamphetamine and cocaine possession, and that pleading guilty here could trigger a probation violation and possible jail time. The defendant tried explaining he was finally working to fix everything, calling courts, setting up dates, and clearing old tickets one by one. But the judge wasn't impressed by the excuses. He bluntly warned the defendant that ignoring courts and suspended license issues would only keep destroying his future. Then came the harsh reality check. Judges don't like that. The judge made it crystal clear that continuing to ignore court orders could lead to probation being revoked, convictions entering permanently onto his record, and possible imprisonment. Despite the warning, the judge still gave him a payment plan instead of immediately throwing him in jail. Do you think the judge gave him too many chances, Or was this fair?